In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage articles in Joomla 4. If you're diving into Joomla for the first time or simply want to brush up on managing content effectively, you're in the right place. Let's get started with these easy to follow steps. First, you'll need to log into your Joomla administration area. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to content and then select articles. This is where you'll be managing all your site's content, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Now once you're in the articles section, look for the new button. You can usually find this in the toolbar, at the top, or sometimes in the left hand menu. Clicking new allows you to create a fresh article from scratch. Next, you'll be filling in the details for your new article. Start by entering a descriptive title that accurately represents the content you're about to publish. Your title is crucial as it not only helps readers understand the topic, but also aids in search engine optimization. Moving on to the article text itself, you'll use the built-in text editor to write down your content. This editor provides various formatting options, so feel free to make use of headings, bullet points, or bold text to make your article engaging and easy to read. Once your content is ready, you'll want to assign the article to a relevant category. Proper categorization is key to keeping your content organized, especially as your site grows. After that, you need to choose the status of your article. Options include published, unpublished, archived, or trashed. This allows you to control if and when your content becomes visible to your audience. Another important step is setting the access level. You can control who gets to see the article, whether it's everyone with public access, just your site's members with registered access, or any other level available on your site. To make your articles easy to find and sort, add relevant tags. Tags are great for organization and can help your readers find related content easily. If you have images that enhance your article, it's a good time to add those too. You can include both an introductory image and a full article image. Although this step is optional, it is highly recommended as visuals can significantly enhance your content's appeal. When everything looks good, simply click Save and Close. This saves your article and takes you back to the article's overview page where you can see and manage all your published content. Now let's talk a bit about managing your articles. You'll use the article manager to view, edit and organize your entries. The filtering and sorting options here are incredibly handy, allowing you to find specific articles based on criteria like status, category or author. Should you need to delete an article, simply select it and click the trash button. Alternatively, if you wish to keep older articles without mixing them up with new content, consider archiving them. Archiving keeps them accessible but separate from your main content flow. Lastly, if you need to update any part of an existing article, just click on it to make your edits. Joomla's flexibility makes ongoing content management a breeze. So there you have it, a complete guide to creating and managing articles in Joomla 4. Follow these steps and you'll be mastering your Joomla site in no time.